So how do you add the white border around pictures, like selfie pictures, just like this, and do it yourself? Do you have to send it out to a graphic designer? The answer is no, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create these, and you can do it very fast inside of Canva. So let's walk through the process. What are the steps? So the first thing is you are going to need a screenshot. So you might need something like this. Just get a screenshot of yourself and from your videos. What I typically do is I will just pause a video or find a part that I'm like, okay, I'm going to go with that right there. Okay, the next step in this process is we're going to go over to Canva, and I like to pull up a Instagram post. It's your standard kind of square looking post like it is here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to upload. You can actually drag and drop, but I'm going to show you how to just upload the file. Let's grab that screenshot. And now we're going to take the screenshot, pull it into our picture here. Just going to put it in here. And now we're going to go to background remover. Now you will have to have the Canva Pro account for this, but it is well worth it, even if you just created some, okay? So now that we have that, there's still another step that we need to take. For example, if we go and we change the background colors, just grab this dark. You can see here, I've got the picture here, but I don't have the white border. What we wanna do is we wanna click on Edit. We're gonna click on Shadows, and then I like to use Outline. You can use Glow, Drop. I like to use Outline. And if you scroll down, you will find the color starts off in black, move it to white, and then you decide your size. How big do you want that outline? I usually like somewhere around 25 or 30 personally. And now we've got it, right? So one other thing I would do is I have a folder inside of here, and I'll hit move to folder, and I have all of my biopics in one place. So we'll click on move. Now it's in that folder. So let's go back to the home page. Let me show you what I do when I'm building out a thumbnail. So if we go back to home, let's type in, well, actually got YouTube thumbnail right here, and we've got this blank space here. Now you can also work off of a template. Let's just grab one here, and obviously this is not me, so I'm gonna delete me. And then I can go over here to projects, folders, and I can find my biopics in here. You can see them, they're all in here. Let's grab the one we just created, which I believe is this one, and then just drag and drop this one up. Put it in here where we want it to be. Then we could change the wording, we can change the colors. If you have the Pro account, you can also put your brand colors in here and just shuffle up your brand colors as so until you find the design style you like. Obviously you want to change the wording. There you go. Pretty simple and easy, right? I would encourage you to go make 5 or 10 of these, and then they're ready to go at a moment's notice when you're ready to create your thumbnail. So if you like tips like this, will you let me know? Hit the like button, or even subscribe, or hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime a new video drops. And also, if you want to see some other cool tricks with Canva, some hacks that I like, you're going to want to check out this video right here. And yeah, just click on that video and let's jump into it. We'll see you over there.